No more large capsules or bitter-tasting liquid. Replace them all with apple cider vinegar gummies by Nutrifasa. It's an excellent addition to your detox program, which combines 4 main functions. It helps to flush out toxins and control your food cravings. It also supports digestion and your immune system by balancing cholesterol and blood pressure. Natural, delicious, vegetarian, no gluten, and GMO-free apple cider vinegar gummies. Detox and immune support for the whole family.